Packing for a trip can feel like a daunting game of Tetris. We've all been there staring at a suitcase full of clothes, wondering how we'll ever fit everything in. But fear not, fellow travelers. Packing a carry-on efficiently is an art you can master. With a bit of planning and these savvy tips, you can pack everything you need for a fantastic trip without checking a bag. The key is to pack smart and prioritize. Think about the essentials you truly need and choose versatile items that can be mixed and matched. Imagine yourself arriving at your destination, effortlessly gliding past baggage claim and heading straight out to explore. That's the beauty of a well-packed carry-on. It gives you the freedom to travel light and maximize your precious vacation time. Remember, packing a carry-on is not about cramming in as much as possible. It's about selecting items thoughtfully and organizing them strategically. So, let's dive in and discover the secrets to becoming a carry-on packing pro. Choosing the right carry-on suitcase is the foundation for a successful packing experience. Look for a sturdy, lightweight bag with smooth rolling wheels that can handle airport sprints and cobblestone streets. Consider the size and weight restrictions of your chosen airline to avoid any surprises at the gate. Compartments are your best friend when it comes to carry-on organization. Look for a suitcase with multiple pockets and dividers to keep your belongings separated and easily accessible. A separate compartment for shoes or laundry is a game changer, keeping your clothes clean and organized. Many suitcases now come equipped with built-in TSA-approved locks, providing an extra layer of security for your belongings. Some even feature external USB ports, allowing you to charge your phone or tablet on the go, a lifesaver during long travel days. Remember, the perfect carry-on is an extension of your travel style, so choose one that suits your needs and makes your journey more enjoyable. Packing light doesn't mean sacrificing style. The key to a well-curated carry-on wardrobe is choosing versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. Start with a neutral color palette for your base layers. Think black, white, gray, or navy, and add pops of color with accessories or a statement piece. Opt for wrinkle-resistant fabrics like merino wool or synthetic blends that can withstand the rigors of travel. Pack a pair of comfortable walking shoes, a dressier option for evenings out, and perhaps sandals or flats depending on your destination's climate. Remember, you can always rewear items, especially if you pack a small laundry bag and use hotel laundry services, or take advantage of a sink for a quick hand wash. Packing cubes are a game changer for maximizing space and keeping your suitcase organized. These lightweight zippered pouches compress your clothes, prevent wrinkles, and make it easy to find what you need without unpacking your entire bag. By packing smart and choosing versatile pieces, you'll be amazed at how many stylish outfits you can create from a limited wardrobe. Section 4. Hotel comfort loungewear and slippers. After a long day of travel or exploring, there's nothing better than slipping into something comfortable at your hotel. Pack a set of lightweight, breathable loungewear that will keep you feeling relaxed and cozy during downtime. Consider packing a pair of compact, foldable slippers to keep your feet warm, and add a touch of luxury to your hotel stay. Slippers are also great for keeping your feet clean if you prefer not to walk barefoot in your room. These small comforts can make a big difference in your overall travel experience, allowing you to unwind and recharge after a busy day. Plus, having dedicated loungewear prevents you from wearing your outside clothes in your room, keeping your suitcase fresh and organized. Section 5. Travel-sized essentials. Skincare and hair care on the go. Maintaining your skincare and hair care routine while traveling doesn't require lugging around full-sized products. Invest in travel-sized containers and fill them with your favorite products, or purchase travel-sized versions of your essentials. Remember to pack a small toiletry bag to keep your liquids organized and prevent spills in your carry-on. Look for a bag with a clear zip-top compartment that meets TSA regulations for liquids. Don't forget essentials like sunscreen, insect repellent, and any medications you take regularly. Consider packing multi-purpose products to save space and minimize the number of items you carry. For example, a tinted moisturizer can double as foundation and sunscreen, while a hair oil can be used for styling and conditioning. By streamlining your beauty routine and opting for travel-friendly sizes, you can keep your skin and hair looking their best without sacrificing precious luggage space. Section 6. Tech Savvy. Traveler, organizing your electronics. In today's digital age, our electronics are essential travel companions. Keep your devices organized and protected by using dedicated pouches and cases. A small cable organizer can be a lifesaver for keeping cords untangled and easily accessible. Consider investing in a portable charger or power bank to keep your devices powered up on the go, especially during long flights or excursions without access to outlets. Remember to pack any necessary adapters or converters if you're traveling internationally. To protect your devices from scratches or damage, consider using padded sleeves or cases. A small Bluetooth speaker can come in handy for listening to music or podcasts in your hotel room or while relaxing on the beach. By keeping your electronics organized and protected, you can ensure they're readily available to capture memories, stay connected, and enhance your overall travel experience. Section 7. Bon Voyage Checklist for Stress-Free Travel. Congratulations, you're now a carry-on packing pro. With these tips and tricks, you can confidently pack everything you need for your next adventure without checking a bag. Remember, packing light is about traveling smart and maximizing your freedom to explore. Here's a quick checklist to ensure you're ready to embark on your journey. Carry-on essentials checklist. Passport and travel documents. Wallet with cash, cards, and identification. Phone and charging cable. Travel-sized toiletries. Comfortable shoes. Reusable water bottle * snacks. By packing strategically and embracing the minimalist travel mindset, you'll be amazed at how much you can fit into a single carry-on suitcase. So ditch the checked baggage fees, breeze through the airport, and embrace the freedom of traveling light. Bon voyage.